Hello everyone! Welcome to Professor Ghosh YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, I am Professor Ghosh. Well, technically, this is my AI avatar. Today, we will understand the Module 2, Tools, Technologies from Mobile Journalism and Live Streaming to how artificial intelligence is reshaping the modern newsroom. The days of waiting for the satellite truck are over. Today, a global broadcasting studio fits in the palm of your hand. This is Mojo Mobile Journalism.
Mobile journalism, or Mojo, is the practice of reporting, shooting, editing, and publishing news using only a smartphone. It democratizes journalism, allowing reporters to work lightly and quickly in the field without heavy broadcast equipment. Mojo requires specific tools: gimbals for stabilization, external lapel or shotgun microphones for clear audio, and portable lighting, and techniques: shooting in landscape or portrait depending on the platform, managing battery life, and using apps like LumaFusion or CapCut for field editing.
Why tell a story in just one way when you can immerse your audience in it? Audio for emotion and video for action, all woven seamlessly together.
Multimedia reporting is the art of telling a story using the best medium for each piece of information, combining them into a single, cohesive narrative online. Instead of just writing a long article, a multimedia journalist might use text for facts and context, a photo gallery for emotion and atmosphere, a short video clip for action, and an audio bite, like an embedded podcast snippet, for an emotional interview. The key is integration. The elements shouldn't repeat each other. They should complement each other.
When the world is watching, there is no time to edit. The audience right next to you on the front lines, delivering the unvarnished truth the second it unfolds.
In the digital age, audiences expect to experience news as it happens. Live streaming involves broadcasting raw, unedited video directly to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or a news organization's proprietary app. Real-time updates involve live blogging, where journalists push short bursts of text, photos, and social media posts to a running timeline, often used for elections, sports, or crises. This requires technology capable of bonded cellular connections, like LiveView or Speedify, to ensure the stream doesn't buffer or drop in crowded areas.
Hidden inside massive spreadsheets are stories waiting to be told. Data journalism is the superpower of data analysis and visualization.
Data journalism is the process of extracting news stories from large datasets, numbers, and statistics. It involves 3 steps: acquiring the data, often via government portals or scraping; cleaning/analyzing the data, using tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or OpenRefine; and visualizing the data so the audience can understand it, using tools like Data Wrapper, Flourish, or Tableau. It turns complex spreadsheets into compelling visual narratives.
Now let's move to the next topic, that is use of artificial intelligence and automation in newsrooms.
AI is radically changing news production. Automation tools are used for robot journalism, automatically writing financial earnings reports or sports scores by plugging data into templates. Generative AI, like ChatGPT or proprietary newsroom LLMs, help summarize long documents, suggest headlines, or transcribe audio instantly, using tools like Otter.ai. Some newsrooms even use AI anchors, computer-generated avatars, to read news bulletins, or chatbots to interact with readers and guide them to relevant articles.
In the digital ocean, optimization is your lighthouse. SEO ensures search engines put your story at the top. Great SEO makes your content discoverable, while SMO makes it irresistible to share on social media. It's the science of making sure your journalism is actually seen.
Great journalism is useless if nobody finds it. SEO, search engine optimization, writing headlines and using keywords so that articles rank highly on Google. News SEO specifically requires speed and structure to appear in Google's top stories carousel. SMO, crafting content, thumbnails, snappy captions, hashtags, so it is highly shareable and generates engagement on platforms like X, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Optimization ensures the content meets the audience where they are searching and scrolling. The content management system is the heartbeat of the digital newsroom. Whether it's WordPress or a custom build, the CMS is the control panel that takes a story from a journalist's keyboard and blasts it out to the entire world. A content management system, CMS, is the software used to write, edit, format, and publish digital news. WordPress, the industry standard, powering nearly half the web. It is highly customizable, with plugins for SEO, paywalls, and multimedia. Alternatives: Ghost, a sleeker, faster alternative designed specifically for publishers and newsletters; Drupal, a highly complex, secure CMS used by massive enterprise newsrooms; and proprietary platforms built entirely in-house by major outlets like the New York Times.
So, we have finally completed Module 2. If you have any doubts, please drop a comment and I will explain. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video.